After you have your science notebook set up, you can download things from Canvas. I'm going to practice with Activity 1. In your science notebook, open Activity 1 text. That's what it says. So when I click on Activity 1 text, it's going to download at the bottom of my screen. I am going to open up Finder, which is the half-face guy down at the bottom. I should see my Google Drive. I am going to drag from Chrome this activity into Google Drive, my drive, and I'm just going to hover over until the folder opens. Science Notebook, Studying Materials. The file will have a bar at the bottom showing that it is uploading. And then as soon as it is uploaded, you can click to open up Activity 1.